Donna Graham. I'm here to talk about Dyslexia Tool Kit. And today we're going to talk about tool number 10. This is a chapter on homework. Now, homework can be extremely frustrating for a dyslexic student. Homework can cause tears and anger and giving up for both the parents and the student. So we want to avoid that, of course, and I give a number of ideas in this chapter on how to approach homework, a number of techniques to use. For example, side by side, where the adult does the homework with the student. They each have their own paper, and the student can look at the adult's paper as much as they need to in order to understand what's expected of them, and to copy words so they don't have to just die in frustration trying to look them all up. So that's one way. Homework needs to be a learning experience, not just a punishment experience. And so I've got a lot of tips in this chapter on how to make that happen. Most important thing to remember is that homework is not a test. It's a chance to practice and achieve mastery in a skill. And if that's not happening, there's no point in doing that homework.